Damage, proper damage that one, poor thing. If you're quick, yeah, it's still clear. Yeah, if it, like, when you say quick, do you mean like 2? Yeah, how many seconds have we actually got? The disclaimer you have is, I don't give a fuck. I see that as more of a guideline than a rule. One that, like in school when they used to give you guidelines like to write stuff with, but most of the time you used to go over them. So, it's not the same with the amount of people just like staggering through the street and please please don't do it. Honest Gov, we've progressed to honest. I mean it, I really mean it. Oh no, they love it, don't they? Well, look, there's not as many pissheads on a Sunday apparently as you think. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell, he's not sure now. He's not sure, so before he was sure now, but now we've got to go with I'm not sure, right? Well, there is a weight issue, but I didn't like to say. Oh, he's gone back to honest. He's gone back to honest, Gov. Dean, yeah, we're just going back to Dean. Dean, you might as well just go back to what Dean said. Lots of shit. That's lots of shit. Is it the rider? Is that what it is? There we go. There's 40. He goes, please slow down. Oh yeah. Oh, that's made me happy. Because he is adjusting his pads again. I hadn't noticed. I barely had time to put the fucking camera on and you were gone. He knew he'd fucked up. Are you going to do the stairs, Dean? Come on. Do it on. Oh, come on, Dean. We believe in you. No, you don't. Keep going, mate. Keep going. I'm right behind you. He says. But it's all fucking soft mud now, I've said that. yeah. All fucking has a little bit slippery, but it's not too bad. Oh. Look at, they grow up so fast, don't they? Even the wheel grew up. It got big. That is beefy. You're so fucking slow, isn't it? Alright, let's leave him. Speed him what? Push that guy on the right or left even. Yeah, if you're quick, you should, and I repeat, you should be fine. Yeah, basically. Yeah, imagine that, like his maiden voyage and he gets his fucking wheel crushed under a bus. Fucking hell. Yeah. Battery sad. That's quick. Quick, grab the Uber Eats. Ah, who pressed the fucking button? Okay, you're not even trying though, are you? Yep. Am I? Shit. Are you sure about that? Oh, you son of a bitch! Yeah. It just does it. Hey! And I had to learn to control the extra 12 kilos.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
It's exactly like that.
Yeah, it tires your legs out again.
Oh, really? I'm feeling it too. I'll try and get the camera underneath it, so
Oh. I need to be too late now.